Okay, I'm going to give you a little lesson on how the coffee maker works. So, first of all, you turn it on, and while it's warming up, you make sure you have enough water. So I just try to keep it full all the time. Then make sure you have enough beans on the other side. You have to use whole beans. And then if you have milk, which I have milk right here, chocolate milk, and you want to steam it, you hit the steam button. It'll take a minute. And it will steam your milk. In an amazing fashion. When you're done with the steaming, you click on this. Right there. I usually steam for a little longer, but for this I'll do it shorter. And then you put it under here. Of course, you wipe up your milk drizzles. And then you put your cup under here and you hit the espresso button. I hit it twice because I like to shot. Every once in a while, I'll hit it a third time after. Later, you can only do it 2 times at a time. And then your espresso gets put into your cup, and it is a cup of goodness, amazing goodness. And then the only thing you want to remember is when you turn it off, I just keep my cup under there because sometimes a little residue will come in my cup. But that's it. Now, you might get a notice that you need to empty something here, and when you do that, you just move this up and you pull this tray out and you empty the water and you empty the pods, the used pods, and then you just slip it back in and you're ready to go. So don't be afraid to use it if you'd like, because it is fabulous.